Well, guys, we're going to be testing out these Glowteck LED bulbs. I just got done pulling out my HID ones that didn't last very long. I think the low beam lasted, I want to say like 2 months, and I got my Tundra, and they're super not fun to put in there. So these I got off of Amazon. Conversion kit. And we're going to be installing these, if I can figure this out. Wow, this looks interesting. I thought these were just plug and play. Okay, yeah. This doesn't have a little three. Okay, yeah. This. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. All right. Well, so these have their own little extra stuff here. Looks like. I think it's got a little fan in there and everything. So that's pretty sweet. Looks kind of cool. But so this was the back of the bulb on the other one, pretty much. So and that's actually going to be better. It's going to be easier to install, because my other one, the prongs were sticking out like that, and then I had to put the thing on there. So I think, well, actually I have that housing that goes on over this. This is going to be an interesting install. I already took a video of my other lights and how bright they were. I'm going to be putting these in, and we'll see. They definitely look cool. I'm going to install these and show you how they turn out, guys, and do a little review. I'll do a separate video kind of doing an install. So I'm doing that with taking the bulbs out and putting these ones in. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll show you how bright it is and test them out. All right, so this is regular headlight. Granted, I only have the one headlight here for right now for regular. And I'll be doing the same road here, and those are the brights. So the brights are pretty good, and with just the one headlight, it's not super bad here. I thought it was decent when I had both, but I literally just changed this bulb maybe a couple months ago, and already went out. So that's why I went with the LEDs. I'm just like, come on, this is ridiculous. Especially with a Tundra, you got to pretty much take off the bumper. So it's kind of ridiculous. But that's, there's the low beams, and then there's the high beams. So plenty of light with the high beams. I was pretty happy with it. I think I got some HID bulbs in here right now. So I'm going to get these installed and show you guys the difference here. Alright, so that is those. And we'll try to do the brighter part now, brighter headlights. And those are the brights. So it's hard to tell the difference. We're going to go on the road and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, here's the same road with these. Obviously, I have two headlights now, so it's a little brighter. But that's regular, and that's high beam. So quite a bit of difference, I think, with that. High beam's pretty bright. It goes down the road a little bit more. Maybe I'll lower it a little bit here. But then how's the low beam? Needs to be out a little further, huh? There. Right there. Okay. So here is this, and with the fog lights on, just a little bit brighter on the sides there. Fog lights on. Fog lights off. considerably brighter, I think. Those are just regular beams. And high beam. So quite a difference. I think definitely the LEDs are the way to go. Like I said, a lot brighter. And hopefully, what it took like 4 hours to change those, 3 hours to change the bulbs. So, yeah. Anyways, I think these are pretty well worth it, guys. If you want to check it out, I will link it in the description below. And thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Well, my friends, as you can see, these Glowteck LED light bulbs are insanely bright. 300% brighter. I think I believe that. They are really bright. So these ran about 50 bucks, so cheaper than the HID lights also. And I hope, it seems like they're going to last longer. I have a lot of LED stuff, and pretty much none of them have gone out yet. I bought the LED fluorescent bulbs, the long ones, when they first came out, the LED replacements for those, and it's the original one that I bought is still going. So I've been really happy with all the LED products I have bought. To change this on my Tundra was an absolute pain, and whoever designed it shouldn't have a designing job anymore. But anyways, I put these in my Tundra, and they are super bright. Yeah, just a lot more light coming out of there. I did have to modify the housing a little bit because of the wire coming out of the back. But if you're looking to upgrade to LED, I recommend it. They're less expensive than the other bulbs out there, and I believe that they're going to last longer. The HID ones, you're putting them in, you can't touch the little glass housing, or it might burn up, or they're just seem a lot more fragile. This is like a solid, like a metal. It didn't have the little housing over the LED. The LED is just on there, so LEDs are pretty rugged in themselves. Yeah, so I'm really pleased with this. If you guys want to check this product out, I'll put a link to it in Amazon in the description below. But I'm super happy with that. I also made a video, like an install video on that, under my Toyota Tundra stuff. So if you guys are thinking, or if you're on the fence about upgrading to LED, there's no fence to be on. It's over for other things. Non-LED lighting is pretty much done as far as I'm concerned, especially with car lights and stuff like that. There's just no downside really. So, all right guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.